Welcome to level 5, multiplication word problems. You're almost done. One level to go after this. Level 5 is pretty tough, so we decided to make level 5 only one style story problem. So I'm going to walk you through and break down how to pass this level. Okay, let's start off and we'll take apart the problem. Omar has filled 2 pages in his baseball card collection. Each page has 3 rows with 3 cards in each row. How many cards does Omar have in his collection? So there is a ton of language in this, right? This is almost like a paragraph long story problem. So whenever I get lost in the language, I just want to come back and I'm just going to start to draw pictures. So let's start at the beginning. We'll draw it out and we'll find the right answer. So Omar has filled 2 pages in his card collection. So I'll just start and I'll draw his 2 pages. So page 1 and page 2. Okay, each page has 3 rows with 3 cards in each row. So if you think back closer to the beginning of the year, we talked about arrays, right? So this row word right here is kind of cluing you in. You need to draw an array. 3 rows, 3 cards in each row. So here's my 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And there's 3 cards in each row. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have my 3 by 3 array on this page, and now I just need to draw one on this page. So 1 row, row 2, row 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then really all I have to do is count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. Okay, there. Omar has 18 cards in his collection. When you type your answer in to this formative, you do not need to type an expression. All you need to do is type the answer. So just type your 18 and you would be fine. Okay, let's unpack another one. Okay, this time Bernard has filled 3 pages of his Pokemon card collection. Each page, it says pages, we'll just cross that up. Each page has 2 rows with 3 cards in each row. How many Pokemon cards does he have in his collection? Okay, so now, again, if you're feeling a little bit confused by so much language, start at the beginning and just start drawing a picture. Okay, so he has 3 pages. So 1. I'm going to try that again, make that a little bigger. 1, 2, 3. Okay, each page has 2 rows with 3 cards in each row. So again, array, right? Whenever you see either rows or columns, it's a clue that you need to think about arrays. So a 2 by 3. So I have my 2 rows, 1, 2, and 3 cards in each row. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to draw a 2 by 3 array on the other pages as well. So here's my first row with 3 in each, and my second row with 3 in each. Okay, row 1, row 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3. And if I count them all up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wait, what? Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh, 18 again. Okay, so again, all you really need to do, or all you need to do is type the number 18. Okay, I wanted to throw in a huge drawing picture, okay, and I wanted to show you a quicker way to do these. So this time Rebecca has filled 10 pages of her sticker collection book. Each page has 5 rows with 3 stickers in each row. How many stickers does she have in her collection? Okay, so drawing these pictures and drawing out these story problems are always a helpful strategy, but it's not always the fastest way. So instead of drawing 10 pages of a sticker collection book, really, let's refer back to here. All I need to do is multiply these numbers together. So I have 3 pages, okay, times 2 times 3. So really it's just 2 3 times 2 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. So there's a quicker way to do these, right? You just need to multiply. So I have 10 times 5, right, equals 50. Okay, and now I have 50 times 3. So another way to do 50 times 3, you could pull out a repeated addition sentence, 50 plus 50 plus 50. Okay, so Rebecca has 150 stickers in her collection book. So when you type in the answer, you would only need to type 150. So a quicker way, drawing pictures will always help and will always be a good strategy to use, but sometimes there's a quicker way also. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Take it easy.